Spring's here, bikes are about to get dirty again, but when you look at all the products on the shelf that will help you clean up your bike, it can be pretty confusing. You've got your dusters, you've got your polishers. What do you choose? We're going to dive into a couple of categories, pull out a few products so you can know the right one for you. First category are your quick clean and dusters. These are going to be your everyday use cases. You got fingerprints, smudges, bugs, that sort of thing. For example, something like Klock Shine Works Cleaner. It's an easy spray-on cleaner that works on paint, chrome, and plastics. It wipes off dust and grime and leaves the surfaces looking fresh. Or you could choose something like the Werks Quick Detailer and Ceramic Waterless Detailer. These are both great for after a rinse or right before you're about to head out for a ride. A couple sprays, a nice microfiber cloth, and you're done. Now the second category is polish and restore products. This is when you're trying to do a deeper clean. Maybe you've got swirl marks, oxidation, faded paint. You just need to bring the plastic back to life. These products are going to be great at doing that. Something like the S100 Finish Restorer is great for knocking down minor scratches and bringing the shine back before a final polish. And if you've got plastics that are looking faded, something like PC Racing's Plastic Renew works really well. Sand it, apply it, buff it out, and those panels can come back looking almost new again. This route requires a little bit more effort, but they're actually fixing the product versus just removing dust. When it comes to figuring out when to use each one, here's a quick way to think about it. Quick sprays are for ride day touch-ups, dust and fingerprints, pre-ride shine before meetups. Polish and restore products are for seasonal deep cleaning, oxidized paint, and faded plastics or dull finishes. Quick detailers keep your bike looking good week to week, while polishers and restorers bring the finish back to life after winter storage or a long riding season. So whether you're doing a quick touch-up or a full seasonal detail, choosing the right product just makes the job a whole lot easier. You can find everything you see here on the table and a whole lot more at DennisKirk.com. So get shopping today and get that ride looking sharp.